Job number 20225407-2. We're accessing the sewer once again after doing some drain snaking, especially targeting some debris between about 90 and 110 feet, which was visible on the first video. The counter is just a little bit different. We're 116 feet at the main sewer this time. The counter was at 119 at this position. We've moved the camera spool a little closer than it was before, so that probably accounts for a couple feet of difference. City sewer appears to be concrete, and then the transition to clay right off of the city sewer appears to be 6-inch clay. Earlier at 111 to 89, we seemed like there was some pooling. It's not as bad as now because we got some debris got removed, but we do see some little bit of water hanging out here at 106 is the downstream end. This time we do have some water running in the laundry tub. Camera's a little hazy with some grease in the sewer. So 106 to about 102. This whole section was full of debris. Of course, we didn't see much. We do have a little bit of water sitting around here. 95 is the downstream end. Say 92 is the upstream end where the little rapids are. 92 to 95. Root penetration, the remaining root at about 88 feet. It's also the transition between cast iron and clay. Change in direction at 884 there. Also we have water hanging out, starting there at 84. Rapids right here is where the upstream end of the pooling is at about 81 to 84. Water hanging out here, downstream end is about 65. Pooling gets a little bit wider there. Change in direction. And the rapids are the upstream end of that section, so 53 to 65. And we can see at the top of the screen there, about 53, a Y in its back. And that's what we would call the main cleanout, located by the water meter. So now we're inside of the home. See a Y connection at 42. And here's also a little bit of water is hanging out. Looks like it starts right here at the Y, or just right after the Y, right there at about 42. water is quite moderate, but it does go for a ways. See, right around there is the upstream, so 23 to 42. It's extremely moderate little pool. Here we have a little bit more of a ponding situation. Downstream ends right about 21. It's right at the top of the camera lens for a bit there. Tapering back. Rapids are the upstream side at 16 to 21. At the base of the cast iron bathroom stack. So we fell off 4-inch cast iron drain with a 3.5-inch plug. Laundry tub behind. And the floor drain for the basement is right there at the wall.